What is up, YouTube, and welcome to episode 86 of the Chaos Daily. There's some stuff happening behind me, but ignore that. I'm just recycling my PA. Nothing fancy, nothing to see here. Let's move along. Yeah, I've been pretty relaxed the last couple of days. Well, not a couple of days. Yeah, today. I was relaxed today. It's the weekend. It's Saturday today, isn't it? Yeah, it is Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. I've been working on the morphing wing thing. I've done the discrete linkages like I said I would in the last episode, and I made some changes to the way that the FEA was running the simulation before. It was trying to bond all of the separate parts as bonded parts as if they were glued together, but some of them, the linkages in particular, needed to be, like they needed to rotate around the shafts and the hinges and stuff. So I've corrected that and set that up correctly, but now the simulations take forever. Like it takes a good hour to run the simulation, but I'm seeing the results that I am looking for, especially on the top surface. Now it's just a matter of tweaking the length and position of the linkages to determine the shape of deformation on the top surface when it goes through its motion. We're getting much closer there. But yeah, so like I said, just keeping it real chill today, just working on that, watching some anime, catching up on some emails, had some interesting conversations going on at the moment, maybe more about that in the future, we'll see. But yeah, so I'm recycling my IPA. Now, I use a lot of IPA. I do big prints, I have big jugs, big jugs. So yeah, it's important to recycle the IPA. So I'm going to do a video about this process that I'm using another time. Probably going to put it on the Resin channel. It'll probably be the first video that goes on the Resin Engineer channel. I'm still just tweaking the process and getting it a little bit more fine-tuned at the moment. Like I run into issues with the filter material that I use sort of clogs up too quickly to get through the amount of alcohol I want to get through. So there's a little bit of stuff to tweak, but we'll get there. So yeah, we'll leave it there for today's episode, nice and short. Not much going on, pretty casual. And yeah, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe if you're not, and as always, I've been Chaos. And until next time, expect the unexpected, and I will see you guys later.
And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.